ready to rob this mansion. Silver tuna tonight. Right, I've got my boys inside and they should be robbing the place right now. We've deactivated the security system, all the doors are unlocked, and this whole area should be secure. Right, let me get the boys on the radio. Parker, come in.
Hey, Matt. Elvis is in the building.
Perfect. Right, Matthias, are you there?
Hey, Matt, isn't this, Leatherface's house?
What, that crazy dude from the 70s who killed all those people with a chainsaw and meat hooks and all that? Dude, he's been dead for years. He's probably in the fiery depths of hell where he probably should be after the crimes he's committed back in the 70s. Right, Matthias. Don't know where I got Lloyd from. Matthias, keep checking the upper level like I told you. Anyway, Jeff, you come. Jeff's not answering. Hold on, let me switch back. Matthias.
Yes, Matt?
Matthias, can you go down and check in the basement? That's where I sent Jeff last time. I can't speak for some reason. Can you go check the basement? Jeff isn't answering his radio.
Oh, okay, I'll go check the basement.
Good lad. Parker, can you keep raiding, the cabinets in the bedroom? Fuck, this place is giving me the creeps. I just want to be out of here as soon as possible.
Matthias, I get to check the creepy little basement.
Wait a minute. This window wasn't broken when we first came here. Probably must have been me. Or Parker. Anyway, Jeff, you soulless prick. I'm coming down into the basement to see if you're okay. Jeff, are you down here? Jeff! Wait, what's the... Oh my god. Jeff? Jeff, is that you, man? Jeff! You're just a walking skeleton! Your body's gone! Well, no, your body's not gone. Your skin is gone! Oh god. Wait, what's in the chest? What the fuck? Is that a chainsaw? That looks kind of like the one that Leatherface had back in the 70s. Fuck, I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna... What the...
What was that? It sounded like it came from the basement. Okay. Hello? Is there somebody down here? Hello? Who are you in there? Oh my god, you got a chainsaw! Leatherface? No, bro, please. We're sorry we broke into your house. Please, don't kill me. Don't! No, please! Guys? Jesus, it's been like an hour already. Guys, come in. Guys? Okay, funny joke, guys, but seriously, pick up. Guys? Jeez. I better head in there to make sure they're fine. Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. What's that noise? Whoa! Oh, Jesus! No! Please! Don't kill me! Please! Don't kill me! Please!